Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about methods in Java, specifically example problems with varying difficulty. So here's a beginner example, and what would be printed as a result from this code. First, we can analyze each and every single method. So for this method, it basically returns the sleep time, and because of how it's non-static, it can access an instance variable called sleep time. The return time in the method header and the return statement both match because both are integers. So this method basically returns the sleep time of the instance object that this method refers to. For set sleep time, it takes in an integer parameter and does not return anything. This statement basically changes sleep time for the instance object that this method refers to. So now into the main code. Well, first, a new student object called temp was constructed with a sleep time of 11. Then, when we get sleep time, we return temp's sleep time, which is 11. Then, we set sleep time to 12, which sets temp's sleep time to 12. If we print get sleep time now, because of how sleep time is now set to 12, we get 12. And so this is the answer for this code. For this method is a void method, meaning that it returns nothing. Here, this sleep time basically is the sleep time variable in the instance object that the method refers to. So knowing this, in the main code, here we know that sleep time for the temp object is set to 11. In temp.sleep, it would access the sleep time variable for the instance object that sleep refers to, which in this case is temp. And so sleep time would be 11 in here, and so the statement we printed as it is 11 PM now. I want to sleep as in here. Here's an advanced example. What would be printed as a result of this code? In this advanced example, what will be printed after this code is run? Observe that all are static. So when calling the method, because of how we're calling the method inside the class that the method is in, there's no dot operator necessary. Also, all the methods return a double. So all the output statements are double. Now looking into the specifics, we see that all the methods have the same name, which is method overloading. They have different parameter lists. Even though 3 and 4 have the same parameters, because they're ordered differently, the parameter list is also different. As such, each of these have different method signatures. For the first print statement, because of how both are integers, the first one is called, and so it's a plus b. For the second one, because of how it's an integer then double, it refers to the third method, which is a divided by b, or is 12. For the third print statement, because of how the first is double and the second is an integer, is a times b, or 6 times 8, which is 48. For the last one, but because both are doubles, the second method is called, and 1 minus 1.0 minus 1.0 is 0. And as such, these are the answers of 16, 12, 48, and 0, which all are doubles. Thanks for watching.